Well, thank you for joining us for this pre-reading video as part of the Certificate for in Training and Assessment here at MSA Training and Professional Development. Today we're going to be going over how to use Dropbox, how to share files and folders, and we're going to be using this via an actual website. Now you can download Dropbox to your computer or laptop. I would recommend just utilizing Dropbox through the website and through a web page though, as when you do download it to your computer, it will add additional files and folders to your computer that can get quite confusing sometimes. It's just easier to access Dropbox via a web page, and that's what we're going to be going over today. So to access Dropbox, simply go to your web browser and type in Dropbox in the top URL bar. Now your web browser can be anything. It can be Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari for Mac users. Once you've typed in Dropbox and hit enter, you'll come to the following website where you can sign up for your Dropbox account. To do this, you'll need to list your first name, last name, email address that you would like associated with your account, and your password. Agree to the terms and conditions of Dropbox, which you can view by clicking the blue hyperlink here and then clicking sign up. Once you've signed up to Dropbox, you will come to the following homepage. Now what you can see here is a range of different settings. You have your homepage, you have your files where you'll have access to all of your files that you've uploaded previously before. In the top right hand corner, you can add a photo to your account and you can go for your settings. As mentioned, you can also install Dropbox to your computer or desktop, but again, I would recommend just utilizing Dropbox via the web page and via an online situation rather than downloading it to your actual computer. So to actually access Dropbox, what we can do is, and upload files, is we can go over to the right-hand corner here and click on any of these hyperlinks to upload a file or upload a folder, to upload a new shared folder, or just to create a new folder within Dropbox. So for the basis of this tutorial, we're going to be uploading a new folder and we're going to be calling it assessment, because this is where we'll be uploading our assessments for our certificate for in training and assessment. So this has gone into my Dropbox folder assessment. So if I go back into my files, I can now see my assessments folder. I can click on my assessments folder and this folder is empty because I have no files in here at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload one of my assessment tools that I've been working on, and I'm going to click open. This will now upload this to my assessments folder within Dropbox. So again, if I go back to my home, I go to files, I go to assessments, I can see the assessment tools file that I've just uploaded. Again, I'm going to upload another file. This time I'm going to upload a zip folder. You can upload multiple files. They don't just have to be Word documents. Any file that you have on your computer, you can upload to Dropbox. So now that I've uploaded these files, how would I then share these with people? So let's go back. If I want to share the folder, I can highlight the folder and go share. Now you can share this via email if you would like. If you have the person's email, you can set it if they can only view it or if they can edit it. For the basis of your assessment task, you would like your trainer and assessor to be able to edit these. So you'll simply list your trainer and assessor's email here. Alternatively, you can create a link down below. I can then create a link which has been created. I can then copy that link and I can then paste that link into an email to my trainer and assessor so they can access this Dropbox in this folder here. Again, this is the same process on Mac or Windows, and this is just via the actual website or the web page for Dropbox.com. Thank you for joining me for this video today. If you have any further questions, please contact your trainer and assessor and they will be able to assist you. Otherwise, thank you for joining me for today's session.